I'm about to show you what you can do if you're on an Android phone and you are part of one of those group text conversations that you do not want to be a part of. Your options are going to depend on your phone model and the type of group conversation you are a part of. With the conversation open, most of you will have two sets of options. One set you can get to by selecting the three dots. The other set you can get to by selecting the group name. If you're one of the fortunate people, under one of those menus, you will see the option to leave the conversation. So select that option if you have it. If you don't have that option, you may not be able to fully leave the conversation, but there's a lot of other options which can make it less painful. Look for the notifications option and select it if you have it. That should bring you to a screen like this one. And from there, you have the option to remove the notifications for that conversation. And you can also set the notifications to silent. And you may also have the option to declare it as not a conversation. Also, amongst the various options, you should see the option to delete or report it as spam. If you're able to see a list of people on the text, you can normally go into their contact profile, and from there should be a set of options, and one of them is to block them. If nothing I have shown you is working, you can always ask the leader of the chat to remove you. If they don't follow through, you could attempt to sabotage the chat by adding a bunch of photos that they are not interested in, and maybe they'll choose to remove you after that. That's all the options I could find in my research. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.